Hello guys, my name is Axel Prasetya Pratama. So let's start the discussion.
Okay. So, can you explain interlanguage?
What interlanguage? It's like the foreign language, right? Oh, interlanguage. Yeah. It's like the unique linguistic by the learners and reflecting the the knowledge the, the knowledge learners about the language. I just got that. Language equation. Language equation is like the process of the process occurs the naturally, like when the young children acquire their first language without without the formal study.
Um, what do you know about language learning?
Language learning is like the learner is focused to learn about the rules like grammars and structure of the language.
Can you tell me about second language acquisition and foreign language
Second language.
and foreign language acquisition?
Second language is like the process of the learning a language others than the native language, and the foreign language is like the process of the learning is not commonly to the learners community, and the foreign language often rely on the formal education.
Okay. So, additional question?
View another question.
Can you tell us about the methods in teaching?
I just know like the grammar translation. It's like it focus on the translating the text and grammar rules, and direct methods is like compresses oral communication. I think I forgot about that. And then auditional method. It's right. It's like you repeat the language to be a language habit. I just
Additional?
second left.
30 seconds. What's your name again? How many languages do you learn?
Only English and Indonesia.
Okay, what's your name again? You didn't tell us what's your name.
Alex.
Alex. Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Axel Prasetya Pratama. Who's gonna ask first?
Me. So, Axel, can you explain to me about today? Oh, come on. Language learning. What's the difference between language learning and language acquisition?
Language learning.
Language learning and language acquisition.
Language learning is like the learner focus on to the rules, like grammar and structure of the language, and it involves the memorizing and understanding about the language. And the foreign language is like the process that occurs naturally, like the young children acquire their first language without a formal education.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Can you tell me that output how affects by transfer in
Can you repeat?
learning about transfer and output, right?
Yeah.
Input
Yeah.
and output.
Yeah.
Could you tell me the transfer could affect the input and output when people are speaking? Did you get it?
Transfer. Transfer is like transfer is like the transfer is like the native language and the foreign language has negative and positive effect. Like the positive is the native language and the foreign language has similar that can help you to learn a language, and the negative is like the native language and the foreign language has the interface structure that can be leading you into a language error.
Can you
Mechanics.
can you elaborate to me?
Huh?
Can you elaborate to me the process, like how a person or a children actually knowing their first language without actually realizing it?
Huh?
What?
Say what?
Can you elaborate to me
Ah.
the process of a person or a children or a infant or an infant knowing their language without actually realizing it's their first language?
It's like
About acquisition. That's the point.
Yeah, the process of language acquisition.
Yeah, the process of language acquisition.
it's like when the baby want to eat, they were say like what?
Like what?
Like
Like a baby trying to say
yeah, yeah, yeah,
to communicate.
like Is that right?
Okay, that's censored now.
I don't want to say. It's like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay, thank
Thank you guys. Yeah. I lama. Hello guys, my name is Excel Prasetya Pratama. Let's start the discuss. Who's gonna ask first? Okay,
What you got from reading the material?
what I got.
Yeah, your personal benefit or thought. It can help you or not, just like your personal reason.
Yeah, it's like the language acquisition and language learning that we can study, that we can know how we acquire the language from the zero and until we fluently to say it to fluently to use a language.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. I was interlanguage is like the unique linguistic by the learners. They I don't know infecting uh, the learner knowledge of a language, and the transfer is like the native language and the foreign language has a positive and negative effect. Like the positive is the native language and the foreign language has a similar that can help us to learn a language, and the negative is like they have interface structure that can be leading you into a language error.
Can you tell me some methods in teaching English as a second language acquisition?
What?
Can you tell me some methods?
Oh, some methods. Uh, gra- the method is like the grammar translate is like focus on grammar rules and translating text direct, and the second is the direct methods. It's like it's like occupies oral communication. I forget the and additional methods is like you repeat the language until turn to language habit.
What do you know about input, output, and intake?
Input is like the data language that learner exposed to, such spoken and written communication to the language target, and intake is like the learner actually understand and ready to use their own language production, and the output is like the the learner can practice and apply they can apply what they learn about the language. Okay, it's like 15 seconds.
Do you enjoy video? Do you enjoy making video? If you enjoy it, can you give us a tips?
Tips and tricks.
About someone.
How can you enjoy?
My name is Axel Prasetya Pratama. Let's start the question. Who's gonna be first?
No, senior first.
Okay. Language learning is focused on the learner learning about the rules like grammar and structure language, and the learning equation is like the process that occurs naturally, like the young children acquire their first language without the formal education. What? Transfer of transfer is like the native language and the foreign language has a relationship that can be positive and that can be negative. The positive is like the native language and the foreign language has similar that can help you to learn about a language, and the negative is like the native language and the foreign language has a different structure that can uh, that can make you make a mistake and of the language.
Yeah. Can you explain the three methods of learning three methods?
The first is grammar translation method. Is like focus on grammar rules and translating text, and direct method is what is it's like a communication, and then with auditional method I think it's like you repeat the language turn into your language habit.
Can you explain the input, intake, and output?
Input is like the data language that learner exposed to, and such as spoken and written communication to the language, and we have intake. And then we have intake. It's like intake. And then we have intake is like the learner actually understand and ready to use that the language. And output is like the learners can be applied and use what they have learned about the language. The 30-second
For me.
Wait. Do you know what second language acquisition?
language is like the process of the learning language other than native language.
Really?
Yeah. Hello guys, my name is Axel Prasetya Pratama. Let's start the question. Who's gonna ask first? Meta teachings. Meta teaching is like grammar and translating method is focused on how the grammar rules and is focused on how grammar rules and translating the text. And then we have direct method is like emphasize oral communication. Auditional method, I think it's like you repeat the language until turn into your language habit. I just got that.
Can you tell me the difference between foreign language and second language?
Foreign language. Second language is like the process of the learning language other than your native language, and the foreign language is like the process that occurs naturally, like young children acquire their first language without the formal education.
What do you know about language acquisition?
Language acquisition. Language acquisition is like how the process that occurs naturally, that like young children acquire their first language without the formal education.
What does it mean by interlanguage?
Interlanguage is the unique linguistic by the learners. It's affected the knowledge about their language. There is another question from you guys. Input is the data of language that learner exposed to, like the spoken and written communication to the target language. Another question. One minute left.
Do you know about transfer?
Transfer is like the native language and the foreign language has a negative and positive effect. The positive is like the native language and the foreign language has a similar that can help you to learn a language, and the negative is like the native language has a different structure with the foreign language that can lead you into a language error. 20 seconds Haus anjir. I'm so thirsty.